you know when I put on a red lip, I'm about to talk business. I'm about to talk business, the shizness. It's so good to. Hey hustlers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the channel. Guys, today's video, I am very excited about today's video. Excited, scared, kind of feeling some type of way, but you know what, we are here, we are gonna do it. And today I'll be talking about how I am intending on earning an income or earning income in 2022. Disclaimer. Now, some of these income streams are ways that I'm currently earning an extra income, and some of these are ways that I intend on earning an income this year. So these are certain income streams that I'm willing or wanting to set up and get started. And I thought, you know what, let's sit down, let's chat on how I want to earn some money this year, to give you guys ideas on how to earn money this year for yourselves as well. And this is just to give an idea or to share ideas with you guys. This is not in any way to be like, oh, I earn from, you know, whatever, or for this video to be weird. This is definitely, you know, recorded, and I'm coming from a point of I want to share this information and also hold myself accountable, because I can look back at this video, you know, mid-year, at the end of the year, and see if I am actually earning from all these income streams that I've intended on earning on, or if there were any that I added. So yeah, disclaimer out the way, this is how I'm intending on earning an income in 2022, and how you can earn an income or extra income as well. Okay, so the first way that I'm going to be earning an income this year is from a 9-to-5 salary. Yes, I am a 9-to-5 salary earner, and this is currently the biggest portion of my income. So of course I still, you know, intend on earning 9-to-5 salary, although yeah, so that's one way that I am obviously going to be earning an income this year. Then the second income stream is from my YouTube Adsense. So in 2020 I got monetized on my YouTube channel. You probably watched a video before this video started, and you're probably going to watch a video now or somewhere in between this video, and that is how I am earning an income from YouTube. When you guys watch the videos, please watch the videos on any YouTuber's channel. You know, that's how we earn from YouTube Adsense. So I do really encourage you guys to watch the adverts that are on our videos, and this is how I'm going to be earning an income. Now, how can you earn an income from YouTube Adsense? It is to have a YouTube channel like this one, with any topic or any content that you like and enjoy. Create an audience and of people who can watch. You need 1,000 subscribers and about 4,000 watch time hours for you to get monetized, and you can start earning an income from YouTube. Let me know if you guys want me to delve deeper on YouTube Adsense earnings and how to increase your earnings, and basically the type of content that earns more, and so on and so forth. But that's the second way I'll be earning an income, and I currently do earn an income from YouTube Adsense. The third way, which is one of my favorite ways as well, is part of this YouTube Adsense conversation, and that is influencer marketing. So now, what is influencer marketing? It's where you, myself in this instant, as an influencer in the financial education space, I partner with brands to share with you guys, my audience, on personal, you know, finance services or their products or any campaign or launches that they want to do, and charge them a fee for using my platform, you guys as my audience, and basically charge them for that use. How can you get involved with influencer marketing if this is something you want to get started? Either have an Instagram, a Facebook, a Twitter, a TikTok nowadays, a YouTube video account, basically a place where you're creating content, building an audience, building people, or creating an engagement, basically solidifying yourself as an expert in that specific field. So some people may be an expert in beauty, they're sharing makeup tips, maybe an expert in you know, helping people find jobs online, or anything that is of interest to you, where you can find a market of people who will be interested in what you're sharing and basically follow you. And then you have to build a followership. A lot of the times brands are willing to work with micro influencers. Basically, micro influencers are people like me with small little you know, following. I don't have thousands and thousands of followers or subscribers, and yeah, and I share the products or the services from the brands with you guys. So that's how you can also get involved, and I would highly suggest getting started, showing quality content, adding value to your audience, and those deals will come in. I haven't worked on a lot of brand deals, but I do intend this year to work with more brand deals and brand partnerships and influencer marketing as a third way of earning an income. Now, the fourth way of earning an income, and this is also how I'm currently earning an income, is affiliate marketing. I mentioned affiliate marketing in this video up here. I'll link it up here, and I do want to do more content around affiliate marketing this year, just because I feel like in the South African space there isn't much content and much spoken about. What affiliate marketing essentially is, you don't need to necessarily be an influencer like the third way I explained. This is just basically being signed up to an affiliate marketing site or place, or having a specific affiliate marketing link that links specifically you and your influence. And what I mean by this is, any company, they're running a campaign and you are directing people to their website by use of a link or a code. Sometimes some people would say use Miranda 20 to get X amount off, and you know, that way is them using a specific code that's specific to that person, that can link to that person, and you can earn an income from that. Or a website, so the number of people that go to a specific website from you recommending it to them, you earn an income. I do go deeper into affiliate marketing in this video, and I will be sharing more about this income stream. So yes, if you are interested in finding out, definitely subscribe to this channel. Okay, and then the fifth way that I'll be earning an income this year, which is going to be new. So the first 4 ways I'm currently earning an income from these ways. The fifth way is to start my own coaching business. Yes, I finally said it out loud. I do plan on creating a coaching business where I help you guys with your finances, and basically take you through the 4 financial pillars that I follow and use that help me with my finances, and where I have become today, or where I am currently today. And how can you get started with the coaching business? Anything that you are good at, anything that you can share information with other people, instead of sharing that information for free, charging them a fee to help them. I promise you, you definitely know something that someone else doesn't know that you can monetize and charge people for. For example, I'm going to be, you know, creating a coaching business where I coach people with their finances and their businesses, and potentially at the end of the day, you know, merge into business development and so on and so forth. Maybe you're someone who's really good at drawing or creating content, or social media marketing, or literally anything that you can have a market for, or there's a market and you want to teach other people and share with other people on how they can particularly do that thing, and charge them a fee for sharing that information with them. So that's the fifth way that I'm going to be earning an income this year. Then the sixth way is a physical product. So I want to get into physical products, basically creating merchandise to help you guys elevate and assist you guys with your financial journey. I'm not going to share particularly what the products will be, but this is something that I really want to get into this year. So that's going to be my sixth income stream, and how you can get started with a physical product. It can be any product that has a market, guys. I think I can't stress enough that you have to find something that's viable, that has a viable market, that's already accepted or wanted by the market, and maybe you just prefer or offer something better, something at a better cost, something at a better quality. It can literally be anything. Right now I'm sitting with stuff around me. There's makeup brushes. You can, you know, sell makeup brushes. There's makeup products. Well, I've got makeup products around me right now, you know, ring lights, all of that. Like anything that is a product that has a market that you can enter into, either do better, upskill, better the quality, and just basically create a brand and sell it out, you know, to the public and to people. So I'm stressing about entering something that has an existing market, specifically if you're someone who's going to be a beginner in that field, is because if you are entering an existing market, there's already existing customers, there's already existing competitors, which you can learn from, either to better the products and compete at a better level, or to improve something that they're not doing right. A lot of the times people say the wheel is already invented. Why try reinvent the wheel? Use what is actually disposable, unless you do want want to introduce a completely new product into the market that people definitely do need, you've done your research and you know that there are people in the market that will be willing to buy it, then I would certainly suggest going for that. But if you're someone who's wanting to get started and you have an idea and you not really sure where to go, I would highly suggest looking at something that is already existing in the market, so you can use it as market research and basically have kind of a starting point instead of starting from ground zero. Then the 7th way I am intending on earning an income this year is through digital products. So number 6 was physical products, actual physical things you can see, touch, feel. And then the next thing is digital products. And what digital products are, it's the use of ebooks, the use of online courses, memberships, anything that is online that is digital and that's not physical. And yeah, so I really want to get into this income stream or way of earning an income, although I won't really share for now exactly what that will be. But how you can get into a digital product is basically writing an ebook about a specific topic that you know people will be interested in knowing and people will be interested in buying. Instead of publishing an entire book, basically selling it as a digital copy for people to get access to, creating an online course where people can, you know, do it self-study at their own pace. And basically this is where you start earning passive income, because you don't physically need to be there to physically sell the product. It's not active, it's passive. And all you need to do is just obviously create a really valuable product, something that people will want and something that people in the market are looking for, and marketing it, selling it, getting, you know, people to market, and, you know, creating a hype or an excitement around the product to get it to sell. Then the last and final way that I'll be earning an income, which I think is kind of like not really, but it is a way, is through investing. And now what I mean by this is when I invest, I receive something like dividends. For example, I received a bunch of dividends this week from some ETFs that I had invested in. And although this is not actual income money coming into my pocket because I'm not cashing out on those dividends, it's still me earning an income from me investing. And I'll definitely get more into this on this channel this year about how you can earn from investing. But yes, investing does earn you dividends. Also capital appreciation. When I buy a share for 10 Rand and now it's increased to 15 Rand, I can now potentially sell it at a profit and earn an income if I were to sell. But my favorite way is obviously earning dividends, where I hold the share or hold the investment and it yields or gives me dividend income or earnings. So yeah, that's kind of where I am this year in terms of what I want to achieve and what I want to do in terms of earning an income. I hope some of these ideas kind of sparked an idea to you, and, you know, let me know down below, how are you going to be earning an income this year? Are any of these ideas something you want to look into? Is this something maybe you want me to elaborate on and share more? I'm really excited. I'm looking forward to hearing from you guys how you're going to be earning an income this year. So yeah guys, as always, keep hustling and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye.